Welcome fellow Google marketers. Today I'm thrilled to dive into the dynamic world of Google Ads in 2023, specifically tailored for e-commerce stores. Buckle up as we explore the changes that have reshaped the landscape over the past couple of years. As a Google Ads specialist with a passion for e-commerce success, I'll be your guide through this video. My name is Armenis for those of you that don't know, and together with my family, we've been running a Google Ads agency that has enabled numerous e-commerce businesses to rake in well over $200 million in sales. In this video, you'll gain valuable insights into what's currently driving real results in my clients' ad accounts, the overlooked strategies that deserve more attention, and the exciting direction Google Ads is heading. If you're eager to skyrocket your e-commerce sales or even explore personalized coaching, consulting, I've got some handy links below. But before we delve into the video, smash the like button, hit subscribe for weekly Power Pack videos. Let's uncover the game-changing tactics of Google Ads in 2023 for e-commerce stores. The landscape of Google Ads for e-commerce has recently undergone a significant transformation. In the past, Google Shopping held the reins as the primary driver for sales for e-commerce stores. However, a game changer has emerged in the form of Performance Max campaigns. These campaigns have rapidly gained traction, enticing many e-commerce stores to make the switch. Performance Max campaigns come armed with new and powerful features, elevating them to a must-try campaign type. In fact, Google seems to be nudging advertisers towards this path, subtly prioritizing Performance Max over traditional Google Shopping campaigns. When you run a Performance Max campaign alongside a Google Shopping campaign, the former takes precedence, receiving more impressions and more clicks. This shift has left many wondering about the fate of Google Shopping, but fear not. In this video, we'll explore how you can make the most of both approaches. For now, let's delve deeper into the rise of Performance Max campaigns. The emergence of Performance Max has brought unparalleled possibilities to the world of Google Ads. Imagine the convenience of reaching audiences across all of Google's major platforms in just a single campaign. In the past, you had to set up individual campaigns for different areas of Google, but now Performance Max lets you seamlessly appear on Google Shopping, Google Search, Discovery, Display, Gmail, YouTube, all in one go. Undoubtedly, this advancement is a game changer for e-commerce marketers seeking broader exposure and increased conversions. Performance Max leverages the potential of artificial intelligence and other cutting-edge technologies, promising to deliver superior conversion value. However, like any powerful tool, there are certain trade-offs to consider. While Performance Max saves you valuable time, it does come at the cost of losing some control over your campaign's settings and intricacies. Don't worry though, I'll be providing video links below for those of you that are interested in learning more about how to manage Performance Max campaigns, just in the description below. With the growing reliance on Performance Max, the role of Google Shopping has undergone a transformation. While it may seem less emphasis on traditional shopping campaigns, the benefits of embracing Performance Max are undoubtedly worth exploring. And here's some exciting news. Google has been continually adding new features to enhance control and performance, and I'm optimistic that more refinements to Performance Max will come in the future. They are slowly listening to advertisers and what we want and what level of control we require of our campaigns, not just blindly listening and just taking Google's recommendation just purely on face value. So Google has introduced very recently some exciting new features, such as the ability to exclude specific brands from a campaign and adding negative keywords to Performance Max. However, it is essential to note that these features might not be available in all accounts. I believe the brand exclusion is now available in all accounts, but I don't believe the negative keywords portion is. If you do require negative keywords to be added and you don't, you will have to reach out to Google to get these added to a Performance Max campaign. To truly set yourself up for success with Performance Max, I highly recommend immersing yourself and learning how it works, its strengths, and its limitations. To aid you in this quest, as I said, I'm going to leave videos below to guide you through Performance Max. The key here is knowledge. Understanding how Performance Max operates empowers you to focus on the right strategies and achieve optimal results for your business. While there are numerous benefits to embracing cutting-edge campaign types such as Performance Max, we must also be aware of its limitations to navigate our way to success effectively. As Performance Max takes center stage as a go-to campaign for e-commerce stores, the significance of account and campaign structure has never been more important. To harness the full potential of this dynamic campaign type, it's essential to equip yourself with a deep understanding of how to structure and strategize your campaigns within Google Ads and Performance Max. Consider dedicating time and thought into crafting your Performance Max campaigns strategically. One approach, as an example, is to consolidate all your products into a single comprehensive Performance Max campaign, setting a target ROAS to maximize your overall potential and your ability to stay profitable. However, don't just stop there. For even greater control, you can focus on specific products or categories within your store by assigning different target ROASs with different values to these campaigns. For instance, you might set a lower target ROAS for your best-selling items to give them the maximum potential for reach, or even opt for no target ROAS on these campaigns. This will allow you to reach a much broader audience and allow you to scale much further. Furthermore, you can segment products into distinct asset groups based on brands, collections, or product types. This approach enables you to tailor your bidding strategies more precisely to match individual campaign performance. The crux of it all lies in developing an in-depth understanding of account structure and campaign organization. As Performance Max continues to drive e-commerce success, your ability to strategize and optimize within this framework becomes even more important. Make sure you get creative and you learn more about campaign structure, and the more you do it and more different things you try, the better you'll get at it. Now, while Performance Max has taken center stage for e-commerce advertising, it's really important that we don't overlook the other areas and other campaign types within Google. Diversifying your strategy can lead to a well-rounded and successful advertising approach. Alongside Performance Max, consider running side-by-side search campaigns to capture users actively searching for keywords for your products. This approach allows you to tap into different audience segments and leverage the strengths of both campaign types. Moreover, don't forget the value of display and YouTube campaigns. These formats offer unique opportunities to reach potential customers visually and engage them in compelling ad creatives. Furthermore, I do recommend maintaining Google Shopping campaigns and running them alongside your Performance Max campaigns. It's wise to have a shopping campaign that showcases all your products, but don't underestimate the power of separate campaigns, similar to how I mentioned with Performance Max, promoting less popular or zombie SKUs. By doing so, you can give these products the spotlight they deserve and potentially reinvigorate some interest in them. So let's address the pressing issue for e-commerce business owners with Performance Max, and that is the rise of zombie SKUs. Zombie SKUs within Performance Max are not a new phenomenon. It also happened with shopping, but it just seems to have gotten worse with Performance Max. The impact of this phenomenon has become even more pronounced, posing a significant problem, particularly to advertisers with big product catalogs. In Performance Max, a considerable portion of your ad spend tends to concentrate on a small number of your products. Between 10 to 20% of your products are probably going to get most of the spend. The rest just get minimal or no impressions or clicks. These are labeled as zombie SKUs or zombie products. However, it's essential to scaling and actually growing our business that we do not overlook these lesser focused on products. They may hold untapped potential and could surprise you with exceptional performance if given the chance to shine. The way Performance Max operates can lead to an unintentional focus on a specific set of products that already get you good conversion value. This can be a disadvantage if you have high search volume for certain branded terms, as the majority of budget is probably going to end up going there. To address this, consider setting up a separate campaign to control the traffic for branded terms, allowing you to allocate budget more strategically and giving other products the opportunity to thrive. I recommend having a campaign where you filter out all the products that aren't getting clicks or impressions and you put them into their own campaign and label it zombie SKU or zombie products campaign, and on an ongoing basis refresh that campaign. Remove the products once they start getting clicks. There are scripts to do this, and I will be doing a bit of work on this in the future. You can do it manually using filters for now. The next major change has been the rise of broad match within keyword match types. As the prominence of broad match continues to rise, it's essential to equip yourself with the knowledge to effectively manage and optimize this match type. Embracing broad match can lead to valuable opportunities, but it requires a strategic approach and vigilant monitoring of your search terms. So prepare yourself to embrace broad match by being productive with negative keywords. You'll need to be ruthless in excluding irrelevant search queries to ensure your ads hit the right audience and you don't waste ad spend. Is crucial for maximizing performance. Finding the appropriate balance is key to achieving your desired outcomes. Additionally, consider the structure of your campaigns. If you notice you are lumping too many keywords or ad groups into one campaign, this leads to inefficiencies. Don't hesitate to break them down further. This approach could involve having separate, highly focused search campaigns alongside a broad campaign that encompasses all your broad match keywords. By adopting a well thought out strategy, staying vigilant in your efforts, you can make the most of the rise optimizing broad match and drive success in your advertising endeavors. The next big thing is a lot of people are just forgetting to optimize their merchant center or product feed. Amidst these various changes, this often gets overlooked. The optimization of your Google Merchant Center feed is very, very important still, even with Performance Max. There is speculation whether or not feeds will still exist, but all of this optimization process will just happen within your code, basically. So it will look at your code on your product pages, collection page, and things like that, and actually then create a product feed based on that eventually. But this means we still need to pay special attention to product titles, descriptions, images, and prices. They're the really big ones. These elements play a significant role in attracting potential customers and improving your product visibility on the Google Shopping and Google platform. Don't forget the fundamentals of feed optimization. While we plan to release an updated guide specifically for this, rest assured my previous guides for this in Google Shopping remain highly relevant and applicable to Performance Max and other areas such as in shopping. So go check out those videos. I will leave them in the links below. So by optimizing your product feed, you can unlock the full potential of your e-commerce store within Google. So guys, thank you so much for joining me on this video. The landscape of Google Ads is forever changing, especially for e-commerce stores. I hope you found these insights and strategies valuable, and hopefully you've got something actionable out of this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't hesitate to reach out on the links below to have me look at your ads or anything of that nature. If you enjoyed the video and you want to see more exciting content like this, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. By doing so, you're going to be part of this vibrant community. Don't forget to join the Facebook group as well, where we discuss Google Ads for e-commerce, and you'll receive fresh, insightful videos every single week. This is Nick Armenis, your friendly Google Ads guy, signing off. Until next time, happy advertising.